thinking I'm going to mount it right here with rubber bands, carefully placed so they're not blocking the vision. Here is the RC race car, filmed by the DC23 mini camera, which will be mounted on the back of the car. Let's see if I can see this video on my phone. Okay, we're recording outside. It's getting dark though, so shutter speed's not going to be optimal. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we're recording again after we flipped over. Here we go, outside. Hopefully I'm not going to flip it again.